Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. Days after a nationwide lockdown that was announced in India in the month of March, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had announced the creation of PM CARES Fund. The Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation Fund sought voluntary contribution from members of civil society, firms and businesses and anyone who can contribute some kind of money for the purpose of COVID-19 relief. But the fund is not limited to COVID-19 situation. Prime Minister Modi had said that people could contribute to the fund to help the government fight against coronavirus and similar distressing situations. A lot of people were surprised at this announcement since Prime Minister National Relief Fund was already operational and close to 3,800 crore rupees which are unspent are lying in it. The PM-NRF has been operational for decades. Thus, the opposition Congress questioned the need of creating a new fund called PM CARES. But the real problem with the PM CARES was something much bigger. The PM CARES is registered as a public charitable trust. The trust is headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, and other ex officio members of the trust are the Defence Minister, the Home Minister and the Finance Minister of India. Now, the questions were raised on the opaqueness of the PM CARES Fund. Though a report states that PM CARES received more than 6,000 crore rupees within a week of its creation, the government has refused to divulge the details of donors and the amount contributed by them time and again. It hasn't answered the RTI queries which sought the information. In fact, according to reports, the government said that it will reveal the details once respectable amount is collected in the fund. Several people have contributed in PM CARES, right from big industrialists like Ratan Tata, Azim Premji to armed forces, central government employees, all have contributed to the fund. But questions were constantly raised on where the money came from, how much money has been collected and how will it be spent. So almost 45 days later, the Modi government has finally announced what it is going to do with the PM CARES Fund. Yesterday in the evening, the Prime Minister's office announced that 3,100 crore rupees from the PM CARES Fund will be allocated for COVID-19 relief. This includes funds for ventilators, migrant workers and vaccine development. Now let us see how much money has been allocated out of the fund for what purpose. First, the fund for ventilators. Out of the 3,100 crore rupees, 2,000 crore have been specifically allocated to purchase ventilators and ramp up the health infrastructure. With this money, the government will procure 50,000 ventilators, but only the indigenous made in India ventilators will be procured by the government. Now, this is in line with Prime Minister Modi's appeal of vocal for local. The ventilators will be provided to government-run hospitals designated for COVID-19 treatment in all states and union territories. Secondly, the money has also been allocated for migrant workers. Out of the 3,100 crore fund, 1,000 crore will be spent on welfare of migrant laborers. It will be given to state and union territories to help provide accommodation, food, medical treatment and transport to migrants. State-wise allocation will be determined on three bases. First is population of the state, which will have 50% of weightage in consideration. Second is number of positive COVID-19 cases, which will be given 40% of weightage and a 10% share split equally to ensure a basic minimum sum for all the states. Now, this money will be released to the district administration through the state disaster relief commissioners. Now, thirdly, the money has also been allocated for research of vaccine development. Out of the 3,100 crores, 100 crores will be allocated for the development of a vaccine. The money will be used to support those in Indian academia, startups and industry who are working on designing and developing a vaccine against COVID-19. The money will be spent under the supervision of the principal scientific advisor. Meanwhile, Congress leader and former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram on Thursday said that rupees 1,000 crore allocated by PM CARES Fund for migrant workers affected by the coronavirus lockdown will not reach them. He tweeted, PM CARES has allocated 1,000 crore rupees for migrant workers. Please don't make the common mistake. The money will not be given to the migrant workers but to the state governments to meet the expenses of travel, accommodation, medicine and food for the migrant workers. But nothing will go to the hands of migrant workers. He also raised questions as to how will a migrant will survive if he does not have any source of income. He said, let's take a migrant worker who has crossed all hurdles and returned to his village. There are no jobs in the village. He has no work and no income. How will he survive and support his family? P. Chidambaram asked. However, the statement is yet to be made by the Prime Minister's office as to how much money has been collected in the PM CARES fund. Almost 1.5 months later, PMO has announced this first tranche of use of PM CARES fund. But people need to know more than this. There should be a clear communication from the government regarding how much money has been received, who all have contributed, how much money, and how is this money going to be used. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.